Hey, you're getting a special swimming diaper so you can go to the lake. Oop. Where did you go? You're over here. Come in.
Ah, boom. Ah, boom. I put her swimmer on.
The pool's not happening.
What do you mean? Why?
Because I can't blow it up.
Why?
It's got 3 separate rings, 5 feet around
Oh my God.
to blow up.
Okay.